excited to have you. I'm Junchi. I'm right now the communication lead at SAPA organization. And today we are very excited to have James joining us today. Welcome, James.
Thank you.
Yeah, so as you mentioned, you have been here for over 10 years now, and this year is particularly unique because you shared about very hot topic about AI in drug discovery. So for these 2 days, what are your overall thoughts about the SAPA annual conference this year?
Yeah, I think I haven't been to too many SAPA conferences, and this is one. And 10 years ago, I was at another one. And I think the top impression is really the high quality of the conference. I think SAPA has the ability to really gather a lot of deep experts, but also leaders in the industry. Really, I think give very insightful sharing about what they have accumulated in the knowledge and experience in the pharma industry. And I think the other thing is, of course, the engagement of the audience. I think I can definitely feel that. And I can also feel the passion from many of the speakers who want to make a difference in our field. I think these are, I would say, very top quality conference, and I wish that I have opportunity to come to more.
Definitely, we are excited to have you coming back for multiple sessions. As you mentioned, the engagement, the quality of the speeches, and also the participation of the audience as well. So very excited to see them. And you mentioned in your talk that for small companies in AI and large companies in AI have different unique approaches. So could you share a little bit more about what are the opportunities and challenges for each kind of those AI companies?
Yeah, a really good question. I think as I mentioned in the talk, AI has been probably been first adopted by quite a large number of small companies, AI, so-called AI first biotech companies. And I think in the last 2 to 3 years, we also see the steady adoption and embracing in the large pharma companies. And I think what we need is really this kind of healthy interaction and ecosystem between the large and the small companies. The small company has some unique advantages that they can really focus on the AI-driven approach, and which is difficult for a large company to do, because a large company has to really has a very well established process, and to change that process is a disrupting to existing business. So it will probably take a longer time for a large company to be able to adopt AI, but once it can be done, the impact is also not very large. So I do see there is a lot of healthy interaction and the learning from each other, collaboration between the small and the large companies. I do think this trend will continue.
That's awesome to hear. Like you mentioned, the innovation, the integration, and also collaboration between the large companies with expensive data and unique ways by small companies as well. So excited to hear. As you mentioned, the talent in your topic as well, and AI strategy. I think many people may have a question on, if I want to be the talent within this field, what advice would you like to give us as young professionals to proactively develop skills within the AI field in pharma?
Yeah, I think that's such a good question. I remember in my early days, I think in the pharma industry, I was really learning from many other successful people. I think I would give the same advice that I received. One is that to be really good at what you do. There's no substitute for that. That if you are working on DMPK, if you're working on small molecule synthesis, be really good at what you do, so that other people can really rely on your expertise. And I think that's the first thing. And I think that's intuitively or quite easily understandable by many people in the early career period. The other thing is understanding that drug discovery is a team sport. It cannot be done by a single person, and not even a small group of people. So really needs large teams and multiple teams, multiple disciplines. So the ability to really gather the support and providing support in the drug discovery larger environment for the purpose of helping patients to accomplish a bigger goal. I think that ability is going to be really critical if anyone wants to succeed in the pharma industry or in biotech industry. So I would say that be good at what you do, and also really develop the ability to work well in a team, and also to have the leadership capability to accomplish things that cannot be accomplished by a single person. The question is, can you get the help, get the support from many other people to accomplish something bigger than a single person can accomplish? So I think if you keep that in mind, I think that would be really, really good for the career development.
It's very inspiring to hear, like, the innovation, the leadership, and also the collaboration, be good at what we do. And for many young professions within SAPA, it's very critical that we develop and expand our capabilities, not only in the product development or our own field, but also know the cross-functional capabilities as well. And this is really accelerating the collaboration in the long run. So we are excited to have you today. Thank you for joining us.
Oh, thank you for inviting me, and it's a pleasure, and also to talk to you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.